A very big hello to you all, and this video that I am very excited to share with you is all about how I opened a business checking and savings account with Navy Federal and how I was approved for the GoBiz rewards card business credit for a $15,000 credit limit. I was really inspired to share this video because as of today, December 18th, I have 18 subscribers. So how cool is that? December 18 and 18 subscribers. And that may not be a lot, but that means that there are 18 people who believe in my content and appreciated it. So thank you so much. A very big shout out to all my subscribers. You are wonderful. Thank you for trusting me, and I will continue to work hard to bring you relevant content for this video. So let's get started about my experience and my journey with opening this Navy Federal business account. I have to give credit to Designer Soapbox because it was her video that showed me the way, and I followed all the instructions on how to open a business account. Among all the videos that I watched on YouTube, I really think that this video gave me all the information I needed, and it was easy to follow, and it really helped me through the process. So a big shout out also to Designer Soapbox. You are amazing. You're doing a lot of good stuff for your viewers, and I thank you for your content because this has allowed me to go through this journey of opening a business account, and I think your information really helped me a lot. So thank you so much. So this was my situation with Navy Federal Credit Union on the personal side before I applied for the business account. I was then already with an NFCU for about 3 months. I had a joint and a savings account with my brother-in-law. I had my own personal checking and savings. I already had a pledge loan going. I also had a Savefirst account, and I also had an easy certificates account going on and was already approved for the 25,000 cash rewards Visa credit card. To apply for the account, I did call Navy Federal and ask for the business services department. After I've talked to the person, I was emailed the forms to complete the application, and it was pretty easy. All you have to do is just sign on the application forms, and all these forms that are listed here, all you have to do is provide your electronic signature. Please watch until the end of this video, as I did provide a lot of the information and the forms that you will need, whether you have a sole proprietorship, an LLC, or an S Corp. So I have listed all that close to the end, so it's much easier for you to follow. After I returned all the forms signed and everything, I had a call again from a rep, but I missed that call. I was at work, and it's very hard working at a clinic sometimes when you are working with patients. There is pretty much not a lot of time to really get back to or respond to calls. So fortunately, they emailed me this information, so I was able to give them a call back when it was convenient. And all they did was pretty much verify my name, ask some detailed and I would say personal questions about how I opened my account, so they would know that it's really you, just to verify. So that was completed, and the rep told me that I am verified, and I just have to wait for a response via email. From what I understand from the rep, they had to verify me because I had a fraud alert on my Experian, and I did that because I had a kind of an unusual activity on my other business account. So I had to make sure that I will be verified before they run my credit. This slide is from Designer Soapbox, and she also has the phone number written here, and that really helped me a lot with the process. After only about 2 days, finally I received the email that my business account was approved. So I was very happy with that. And they gave me instructions on how to sign in to the portal to establish and start with the online login and passwords and all that to be set up. I received the ATM or debit card pretty quickly. They sent it through FedEx. And here is just a snapshot of my business account early on when I opened it. I funded this specific business savings and checking account with a check from my other business account. One interesting information that I found out was that you are not able to access the funds on your business checking account for about 30 days. So just in case you would open this account, just be aware of that information, because that's one thing that I didn't know until they told me. So I could not touch the funds from that account until I've been with that business account for about 30 days. And here is another very helpful hint from Designer Soapbox. Once you are approved for the business account, you can apply for the business credit card. But I think I did wait for about 2 weeks or so before I did apply for that. And it does pull from your personal credit Experian. And yes, in about a day, I saw that they indeed have pulled my Experian for that. And the credit card does not report to your personal credit, which is really nice. But it does not report to your business credit as well. So I also found that out. So I'm not sure if that would change in the future, but if it would, that would be really helpful for new businesses like mine. And the maximum for the new business owners, usually for the business account, is about $5,000. But to my surprise, I got approved for $15,000. So that was really something. And I really think it was because of my relationship with Navy Federal on the personal side. And like I said, I've been with them over 3 months already, and I had all those accounts going. I was already approved for the personal cash rewards visa for $25,000. So I really believe that the personal aspect of my relationship with Navy Federal has a lot to do with them giving me a higher credit limit for being a first-time account business owner. And there it was. I received the card via FedEx, and they did charge me $12 for that. So here it is, my friends. And again, this is from Designer Soapbox on how to open a business account. Navy Federal is now accepting applications to opening business accounts. I think there was a hold during the pandemic when they were processing all these PPP loans at that time. And but by the time I applied, I think they were no longer doing that. So I think it was a lot easier process. All you need apparently is a deposit of $100, but you can ask the customer service representative if that can be waived. And make sure that all owners are individual members of Navy Federal Credit Union with all accounts in good standing. And this gives you access to business cards and loans. So this was very helpful information. This right here is a list of all the forms you're going to need to apply. And what I did was I will do a part 2 of this business account video with Navy Federal, because there are in fact a lot of items and data points that was necessary when you open the account, because they do check a lot of things about your business to make sure that it is not a high-risk business. They're very sensitive to that. And they also did check the NAICS code, the NAICS code, and the SIC code. And apparently that was very important for them to determine that. They checked my website as well. And I will also be sharing tips on how you can build your own website and how I did it with, on such a budget, and me not being really very good with technology, but I was forced to establish a website just because I know it's very relevant to being fundable to lenders. Let me know if you would like a copy of these forms or this information so you can prepare and get ready when you do apply, so you would know what they're going to ask for. I can email this to you, so just let me know if you need that information. I'd be more than happy to share that with you, okay? And again, to my subscribers, thank you so much. I hope you will find value in this video. And for the ones who watch this video for the first time, I hope you will subscribe, like, and comment at the same time. So hopefully it can be shown to more people who will benefit from this information that I tried to share as detailed as I could, so you can share my journey. So anyway, thank you so much again, my 18 subscribers. You are amazing. I really appreciate you very much and hope to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.